doesn't look like much, does it? But it's really good. Mophalia. Most people say mop, and this on the sign on the door says Mophalia. But it's cheap, it's fast, it's really good. It's a bunch of cute little ladies that work in there, and might be my number one here. The only downside is that they have a squat toilet, which is really inexcusable in this day and age. But yeah, super food and fast and fun and great place. Okay, that's is that my number one? Maybe. Although I don't eat there as much as I should. Huh. Anyway, okay. So that's not the door, but that's the sign in English. Here's the door with the sign in Georgian. Pizza Doroma. Really, you know, it's just Italian, and it's they have good pizzas and good salads and good pasta. But you can get spaghetti bolognese and a Caesar salad and a bottle of bubbly water for like $7. It's like so good. Big Caesar salad, big thing of pasta bolognese, and a bubbly water. $7. It's really good and really consistent, and the people that work there are good. And I'm a known entity there because I eat there a lot. It's really good. So this place is really good. Indian joint. I've eaten in a few Indian places here, and this is by far the best. By far the best, right here. So this is Pasanori. It is Georgian. It's really good. This is where you can get beet greens and walnuts ground together, and that's fabulous. And you can also get kebabs, really wonderful kebabs, all kinds of stuff. Elarji. Wait, can you get Elarji here? I don't know, I don't remember. Anyway, it's fabulous. So it's kind of noisy on the street here, but this is on Rooster Valley, and it's really good. Burger house. I eat here a lot. One of my favorites for sure. So Margot and I had a surprisingly excellent meal here that was not expensive. Patagonia. It's next to the Galleria. There's our outlet right there. So, and here's Freedom Square. So it's right here. They're really good. I don't remember what we had, but I do remember. I mean, we only ate here once, and I'm just walking past it, and I thought I should grab it because this was really worth eating here. This is good. It was really good, and it was cheap. So this is Paul, and I love this place. It's fairly inexpensive, and they have wonderful quiche here and lots of good food. Love it. Okay, so this place is called Evaria, and it's a coffee shop, tea house, well, cafe, owned by the Radisson Hotel. It's a modern cafe. It's right next to the bicycle monument, which is right there. Margot and I come here quite a bit